What's good, YouTube? Man, it's fucking cold this morning, man. Hope you had a good weekend, man. Today is Monday. Well, most of y'all were watching the Super Bowl, man. I was getting some work done over here. The only thing that I did was stop, take a break to watch the halftime show. By the way, I'm fucking pissed, man. I think they shouldn't disrespect the cars like that. That's just my opinion. I don't know how y'all feel. Everything was good until I saw them dancing on the top of the hoods, man. I don't care what it is, bro. Like, you really don't do that. But it is what it is, man. Not my cars. They probably made some good money, man. They probably had extra hoods on the side. I don't know. But anyways, man, let me let y'all know what's going on right now. So this is what we got going on, man. Yesterday after work, we came home and started taking the engine apart. We are gonna rebuild this engine, man. I'm not sure if I posted a video. I think I did, but look at all this nastiness. So I disconnected everything, man. The only thing that I got missing right now is I didn't have a bucket to drain the antifreeze, so I still gotta drain the antifreeze. The other thing is I gotta disconnect the fuel pump, and that will be the last thing I do. Then I'm gonna have to borrow the jack from my neighbor, or the engine hose. That way I can strap up the engine and disconnect the transmission. Got the wiring harness disconnected already. All the accessories, that way I can get some extra room. I might take the water pump once I drain the antifreeze. That way it can come out easier. So man, this is what we got going on, man. Since I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to put it back together, this is one of the things that I like doing. Look, we got the AC compressors, brackets over here, the pulleys. I got my little notes of what goes where. We got my fan pulley. I got everything in bags, man. The reason is it's easy to take the engine apart, but man, it's so many parts, so many bolts. So as soon as I take something out, put it in the bag, label it. Even for the anything, any little thing. As you can see, I also labeled the wires. That way I know where they go once I'm putting back in the engine. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on or it's gonna be my neighbor. I'm gonna go into surgery on the 17th, so I'm gonna be out for about 6 weeks. So just in case, I label everything. I put he's a mechanic, but if we don't do it and someone else come and help me out, I want I want to make everything easy. The beauty of taking this apart is that if I get a chance, I get to clean up all this firewall, man. That's why I'm trying to get this engine out before my surgery. That way I can clean up all these. Do use a touch up of black, make it look nice before I put it back together. That's if I take the engine before the surgery. If not, well, I guess I'm gonna have to do it in pieces. But hopefully, man, we get some help. Again, we took all this apart last night, and we should be going, man. It should be going good. We're gonna take it to Thunderbolt, man. They're gonna put the yeehaw back in the engine. I don't know if y'all from Houston, but that's an old commercial. But anyways, man, they said it's gonna take 2 weeks. To be honest with you, I thought it was gonna be more. It's only $12.50 plus taxes, so we're looking about $1,400-1,500. But it's not bad, man. We're gonna have a new heart. Now that I'm taking this out, we might go ahead and do the transmission too, man. Might as well, do everything at once. I'm not sure yet. I gotta check my pockets. If the pockets are good, bills are taken care of, we might do the transmission and have a brand new car running, man. Then little by little do the suspension. But anyways, man, just want to give you a little update on what we got going on. Again, Monday. Hope y'all had a good weekend, man. Catch you in the next one.